जवान ज्योति पर विरोध जता रहे युवा कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष श्रीनिवास बीवी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, क्योंकि उनका यह मानना है अमर जवान ज्योति को बुझाना इतिहास के बुझाने के बराबर है। हमारे बहादुर सैनिकों की बलिदानी की टिप्पणी करता है, जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को 2 भागों में विभाजित कर दिया था। वहीं कर्नाटका के केपीसीसी अध्यक्ष डीके शिव कुमार ने भी अमर जवान ज्योति पर विरोध जताया है।
India has a different culture. I don't know why government of India is differentiating who have sacrificed their lives for the sake of the country. There are so many places. It is a very vast country. Let they create, let they respect. But merging, taking, shifting and all, it is not in our moral, ethical values. So, we don't agree. The entire Congress party, as far as Karnataka is concerned, we don't agree with it. We have to condemn it, and we appeal, we request, we urge that whatever is there should be there at the point of time. Let them do anything they want in a different place, and let us respect those who have contributed to this country's integrity.